What's up everyone? I hope you all are having an amazing day. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, do me a favor, if you haven't already subscribed, go down below, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. And if you like this type of content, do like this video. Some of you guys have been asking me for Civic content, so today we are doing exactly that. Previously what happened was we could not fix the downpipe. This video, the goal will be to custom make a downpipe, to fix the intercooler piping, to fix the radiator back, all of that stuff, and start the car as well. I'm pretty stoked about it. I hope you guys are excited as well. So first things first, we'll have to make a custom downpipe. We'll do something with the 1J downpipe, and if you guys don't know, I'm trying to fix a 1J turbo on D15 Civic. And if you guys are new here, I highly recommend you guys go check my previous video so you have an idea of what is going on with the Civic. So before we get into today's video, I have something very special to show you guys, and I want your help with that. I wanted to show you guys these two cars. That's a JZX T1, and this is something very special to my heart. It's covered right now. There is a reveal video for that coming soon, but the question I wanted to ask you guys, would you guys like me to reveal what's underneath here, or do you guys want me to bring out JZX 81 content? Don't worry guys, if you tell me bring out JZX content, I'll do that, and I will also be revealing this car as well. But I want your help. If you guys want me to reveal this car first or work on that car, I will eventually work on both the cars. So do let me know, comment down below, go down right now and comment down below and let me know. And now let's take the downpipe and let's head to the workshop so that we can fit that downpipe on the Civic. Let's go. Well guys, rest in peace 1J ZGT downpipe, because we have just destroyed it. As I said in the previous video, we will be making a custom downpipe. So the problem we were facing is that this was touching, it was hitting the gearbox, the downpipe. So we had to trim the downpipe to make sure that it doesn't touch, and we are actually doing that right now. This is not a 1JZ downpipe anymore. This will be a Civic downpipe soon. So fingers crossed, I hope we don't run into other issues. So we finally have the downpipe. It's just for the time being, but this will do, because I'm not looking for great power from this engine. So that's the reason we just did what we could do, and this is what we got so far, and hopefully it doesn't fit the gearbox. So let's quickly install this because we have a lot of things to do. A little update, we have finally fixed the downpipe. It is actually almost hitting the gearbox again, but we managed to fix it. Well, there are some adjustments needed as well. If I could show you underneath here, this is the problem, as you can see here. So we have to fix this as well. So we'll be doing that, but for now this will do, because I'll be taking it to the welding shop to make sure we can fix the downpipe. So we will figure this out there, and for now I'm super excited. As you can see here, we have finally fixed the downpipe. I thought it would hit again. It's not hitting it. For now we'll be draining the oil from the car, because we have to take the oil pan to make a bracket for the oil return and oil feed line. And for now we are actually figuring out what to do with the intercooler piping. I have some of the intercooler piping, and I'm hoping that we can fix those and we don't have to make a new ones, because as you all know, it's a budget build and I'm trying to spend as less as possible. Show everyone, and for the people who want to boost their EG or EK, that you don't have to spend crazy amount of money. If you have the things with you, You don't need to make a custom intercooler piping. I am figuring it out because as you can see here, this will also be causing a problem for me because here you go. How in the hell am I supposed to take the piping from here? So I think I'll have to cut or adjust something. I don't know, maybe rotate the turbo as well. Anyways, let's figure it out and let's see how it goes. I'm an idiot. I forgot to record while we were fixing this intercooler pipe. So first off is this intercooler pipe, which this will go onto the turbo and this pipe will go onto the intercooler. Well, I found this laying around, so I decided to use it for the shit box. Anyways, let's just use that. This will go into this. Sorry if the quality is bad, guys. It's night and I want to upload this video as soon as possible. We have fixed the intake pipe. This is the precision okay, as you can see, this is the precision blow-off valve. Don't worry, we will be welding this because if we drive the car like that, good luck getting any boost. We have to fix this turbo pipe to the intercooler. Here we do have oil feed. We have kind of fixed it, but I will show you the process as well because I think many of you who are watching this video want to boost their car, and if you have a 1JZ turbo as I have and 1JZ downpipe and all of that stuff, it will help you guys as well. It was a struggle for me, but it's an experience how you should do it next time. So if you guys want to convert your D15 or D16 to a turbocharged and you have a 1JZ turbo laying around, you can just do it easily. All right, a quick update. We have removed the oil pan. Well, I don't know if you guys can see, it's not that bad. It looks pretty good for a D15. By the way, no dirty hands, guys. So stop roasting me. By the way, my brother is taking the video, so let me know if he's doing a good job, so I can give him, every time when I take a video, I can give him the phone or the camera or whatever I'm recording on. The downpipe is a pain. As I said, it's a 1JZ downpipe. We had to lose the balls of the downpipe so that we can remove the oil pan, because there is I think it's just a millimeter. I don't know how much space is there between the downpipe and the oil pan. If you guys are planning to do a 1JZ turbo with a 1JZ downpipe on a D15, this is the things you should do. First thing I would suggest is before installing the downpipe, turbo is not a problem. Installing the downpipe, remove the oil pan, take it to the workshop, make a hole for the oil return, and life's good, life's easy. It is the next day. We haven't done anything because we were waiting for the oil pan for the workshop to do, and it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. This will do for the time being because, you know, I'm not planning on 700 or 600 HP with that turbo and stock setup. A little update, we have cleaned the oil pan and now we are going to install it. I don't think I'm not going to create any time lapse or show you how to install it because it's pretty simple. We have applied the silicone, you just rub it on top to cover the whole area, and then you should not wait. Once you have applied to all the areas, just install it as soon as possible. Update, we have installed the oil pan. It's bolted in because we will not be, hopefully will not be opening the oil pan again. As you can see, turbo looks really good. Final piece of the puzzle, this is the oil pressure sensor, and my brother is underneath the car working on fixing the oil pressure sensor and the oil feed line, and I am here figuring the intercooler piping. And we also yes, I forgot to give you this update, we also checked the bumper. We tried to fix the front bumper while I was not recording. It doesn't fit. We'll have to lift the intercooler upwards a bit, so that I think we'll do it in the next video, because in the next video we'll have to make a custom whole exhaust. But for now, let's quickly install the oil feed line and let's figure out what we'll have to do with the intercooler piping. All right guys, so this is the final build. It's not clean, Not the best engine bay in the world, but if you're on a budget, this is how it looks like. Let me quickly show you what we have done so far. The intercooler piping, the oil feed, the build is completed, and now we are going to start the Civic. Moment of truth, guys. Moment of truth. Ooh. Good, no leaks underneath the car. Wow, I'm so happy. Yes, nice. And then I'll have to fix the downpipe, fix the bumper, and after that, and of course the intercooler. If you guys remember, it's still on tie clips, so we'll have to make a bracket for that, and then we'll take the car for tune and see how much does it make. Pretty stoked about it. Alright guys, so the car starts up, but we are facing one issue. Let me just quickly turn on the car. I don't know if it's just me or people out there are also facing this issue. If you see, like, I don't know what's wrong. Like, I don't know, if I try to give it a gas a bit, you see it's on 2 cutoff. I have no idea why. And this is full throttle. When I give it full throttle, it just dies on me. I don't know why. So guys, if you know what is going on, and if you have any idea, if you have faced this problem, comment down below and let me know. Or if it's just me. We double checked everything. We have no idea what is the problem. So I guess that is it for today, guys. I'll update you guys once I fix the problem. It will be in the next video. If you guys ran into this issue as well, please help me out. Comment down below. I would really appreciate it. But I would also check what is the problem. Maybe some sensor or I don't know. I'm just blank right now. So anyways, so far so good. It starts, doesn't rev. It is what it is. This is what you get on a budget, but we will fix that for sure. That is gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. I really appreciate that. If you like this type of content, please consider subscribing, turn on those notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.